Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use the bulk time feature for an individual user. So once we install and set up the application, it's going to look like this, just as usual. So what we need to do is access the menu on the top right corner and then the settings also on the top right corner. Once in here, we need to scroll all the way down and select this option, paper time collection mode. So let's go ahead and turn it on. There it is. And as you can see, the application is going to look like this now. So from here, what we need to do is click on the number one icon, then click on the users section. And as you can see, this is the same user that we previously set up on the device. We can see that by the device ID. Okay, so once in here, let's click on the username. Let's go back. And as you can see, we have the user right there at the top. So the next step is going to be adding the job and the times. So let's click right here where it says add job. There we have a job. And in this case, we also have a subtask. So we selected both as we can see in here. So now let's go ahead and add the times. This one here, it's going to be the clocking time. Now let's add the clock out time. Okay, if we don't need to add breaks, we can go ahead and click on submit. But in this case, let's go ahead and add a break. So to add a break, we're going to use this option here, the little pause sign. We'll select the break type. And now the times for the break. So let's say from 6 a.m. in the morning to 6:15. Remember, if you need to remove any of these actions, you can do it right here on the X. With this one here, we can also change the task. So now that we have the information, the job, and the break times, let's go ahead and click on submit. There's the confirmation. We can click OK, and that should do it. Thank you.